Sometimes when choosing a product, there is a decision or a compromise that must take place. As in, do I buy this product for its look? Do I buy it for its comfort? Or simply, is it a purchase so I can do the task in hand more efficiently? Now, what if I could get all three of these things in one product without compromise? I think the answer is right here, and yes, this does all of that and more. It is the Surface Ergonomic Keyboard. In the past, ergonomic keyboards may have sacrificed beauty to keep your hands and wrists comfortable. Not this one. As soon as you look at this, you can instantly recognise the Surface design traits. The double cushion palm rest is built for ultimate comfort and luxury, as it's covered in this beautiful Alcantara material. You may already be familiar with Alcantara, as it's the same material that was also used on the Surface Pro 4 signature type cover. It not only looks great, but over time the material grows richer and darker, creating a fantastic effect. As this is an ergonomic keyboard, one of the key features should always be comfort. You can see that here we have a split space bar and an arch shape in the centre. This has been designed to protect you from hand or wrist strain when typing. The key set has also been designed with this in mind and has a lot of key travel. The keys sit proudly from the base, giving you a really satisfying typing experience. So if you're looking for comfort and don't want to compromise on style, don't look any further than this. To get this paired up to your PC or Mac is very simple. Simply head to the Bluetooth settings on your device and hold down the pairing button on the bottom of the keyboard and pair. That's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video looking at the Surface Ergonomic Keyboard. And if interested, please be sure to check out the other videos in this series where I look at the Surface keyboard and the Surface mouse. I've been Gareth from the Microsoft Product Evangelist team, and as always, catch you all again.